Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, I am going to teach Olivia how to do the APT dance by Bruno Mars and Rose. So are you ready? Yeah. Some of y'all know that I did a dance on my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, on my social media, and I want to do that with Liv. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna teach her the dance. She doesn't know it yet, and hopefully,
let's see.
Well, you're a dancer, so you'll get it pretty quick, I believe. So
right, I'm ready.
If you want to learn the dance, you can follow through. Follow along, and let's just get into it. I think the dance creator of this dance is right here. He's the dance creator, so all credits to him. And I can't really put the song because we're gonna get copyrighted. So I might just
sing it.
Sing it, yeah. All right, so the first countings will be, it's basic steps.
Okay.
You're gonna get it pretty quick.
Okay.
It's gonna go like this.
The song.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now?
Ready.
Okay, so the first lyric will be,
don't you want me?
the steps will be very easy, very simple. Will be like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, get back into it, boy.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Okay.
Your right will be stepping in front, and you'll be facing to the side. Your left hand will go up first. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on the other side, your left leg and your right arms will go up, left leg will go front. So from here, right
so the
first.
same leg that's going out, your hand goes down.
Yep.
That leg. Okay.
Wherever you're facing, that leg will be stepping.
The front is always first.
Yep.
Okay.
Correct. So first step 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's the first part. The second part will be jumps. You're gonna jump right over left. Yeah, cross. Yeah, cross. But there's jump to it, like then twist, and then left to over left, come back. So it's just gonna be like reverse.
So yeah.
So it's
180
gonna be
then back the same way.
And the arms will be like this. Yeah. Just All right. All right.
Okay,
so
ready.
Together with the feet, jump, cross. Yep. Jump. Ha.
Okay.
Got it. That's easy.
Okay.
Right, from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, ha, jump, ha.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So after the jump, get back to this. You're gonna do the single lady steps. I'm a single lady, right?
Which?
But right arm, then left leg bent.
Need you now.
Yep. Need you now. Then you can nod. Yeah. From the top again. Let's count it.
Well,
It's up to you. You can count. You can do the countings, or you can do the lyrics.
Yeah.
If you do the lyrics, it might be easier.
Yeah,
you know?
I think the lyrics is easier.
So let's do the lyrics. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now?
Oh.
Yeah, so need you now and nod.
Oh, so it's after.
Yeah, it was after.
Need you now, cut.
Yeah. And then this one. Sleep tomorrow. Ha. Wipe your
Sweat.
Yeah. Wipe your
Sleep
sweat.
tomorrow,
Wipe your sweat.
but
So left first, right? Swipe left, swipe right, and then point down. So tonight, go crazy.
Tonight.
Go crazy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump, jump.
Okay.
Next, all right, crazy, and all you gotta do is just meet me at the then this one, the chord. But before that, let's do it from
top.
top. Yeah. All right, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,
Baby,
don't you need me like I need you now?
Ha.
Swipe.
tomorrow.
But tonight, go crazy. All you gotta do. Yeah.
All you gotta do.
You don't have to.
Yeah, that's really dramatic.
You can just. All you gotta do. Yeah.
Okay, I like that better.
You know.
I don't
We
like-
can.
I don't like
We can
the-
even do like. All you gotta do is.
What if you did all and I did do and then you did la? Like,
Yeah. Okay.
all you gotta do is just
meet me.
snap.
Yeah, we can do that. So it's up to you. You can do that. You can do whatever. So all you gotta do is just meet me. We should meet me
Meet me at
the yeah.
From the top again?
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just. All you gotta do is just. All you gotta do is just.
That's what I did.
Me. No.
That's what I did.
Okay, 5, 6. All right,
Did
whatever.
I?
All right.
Did I?
Yeah, we'll see in the video. All you gotta do is just.
Okay.
All right.
I'm ready.
So all you gotta do is just meet me at the.
Okay.
yeah. Don't you want me like I want you, babe? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the. Next one, the chorus. So there's 3. 1, 2, 3, jump. Then but yeah.
Sure.
All right.
Is that the end?
Yeah.
I've
From the
already
top.
done it.
From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't you want me like I want you, babe? Don't you need me like need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the One more time.
If I can do it, you can do it.
I'll play the music. Let's record it. I'm gonna set up the camera,
Let's
change the
go.
lens, and we're gonna head outside and film it. All right, this is my daily life, you know? This is how I do all my reels. So if you are wondering, there's no cameraman. It's just a tripod.
Just him, himself, and him.
And the subject, which is gonna be us. This is how far Olivia needs to be, or me, if I'm recording myself. This is how far I need to be. Is what it looks like on my camera. Usually I'm shy whenever I'm recording myself. And that, ladies and gentlemen,
How you
is how I record my videos. Now, the next thing that I need to do is edit the video, which is, if you haven't seen my tutorial,
secret?
it's a secret.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Oh, look. This is
Patrick.
every afternoon there's a lot of cockatoos.
That's Patrick.
And this is Taiga. Say hi, Taiga. Hi. And that's Patrick. Mom's cockatoo. Alright, and that's about it for our video for today. That's the APT.
APT.
So that's the APT.
Something you should know about Manu is he sweats.
A lot.
Like, he will take you for 5 seconds. Look at his forehead,
Yeah,
it's dripping. He needs to go have a shower because it's dripping in sweat.
Yep, and...
He sweats like a mofo.
Yep.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, Olivia's a really good dancer. She doesn't want to dance, but I kept telling her you should show the world your
I used to
dancing
dance,
skills.
but-
But yeah, she's really good. And
I dance a little bit.
Yep, you
Sometimes.
do. Mm-hmm.
Maybe you learn the dance. If you learn the dance from us, tag us. We'll watch it.
Yeah.
I'll leave a comment. I'm the best.
Tag us and the
commenter.
creator. Credits to the creator, the
Yes.
original creator of this dance.
Shout out
Yeah.
to you.
We love it. Everybody love it.
I
And
came
we-
in from work and I was like, not planning to do this. He's like, do you want to learn to dance? And I was like, sure.
people are requesting this.
Yeah.
To,
I saw a
like,
comment
for-
that said, do it with Olivia.
Yeah, so here it is.
Here it is. That was your comment.
Yep.
Here it is.
Uh-huh. And yeah, thank you for your request. We're able to make this video, so thank you. And if you have any more requests, comment down below.
I can learn. I'll try.
Yeah. Me
my
too. I'll
best.
try my best.
Some of them are really hard, I'm not gonna
It
lie.
is.
Like, I've tried to learn a few
Uh-huh.
TikTok dances and they are really hard. Like, they're
Yep.
stepping the game up. Back in the day it was like
Mm-hmm.
very like
Yep.
simple repetitive. Now it's like choreography
Yeah.
counts.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.
See you next time.